Happy New Year, Miggy. Happy New Year, Colette. Happy New Year, Muray. And this is reminding all of you that you should protect your dogs, especially during celebrating the New Year's Eve, because the dogs are really sensitive to noise. And I have to bear these three dogs of mine because they are not going anywhere near the door because they are afraid. They're so sensitive with the noise last night, so I have to really see to it that they are comfortable. So I have to place their beds near the door, far away from the noise. Their dog cage are empty so that they can allow themselves to roam around. Especially Miggy. Small ears but so sensitive. Colette, come here. Colette. Colette, come here. Colette. See, also Umurai and Colette. They are so sensitive with the noise a few hours ago while counting down the end of the year. Since 9 in the evening, Miggy, Moray, and Kulit won't eat anything. And after the celebration ended, after the noise settled down, I woke up. Their dog food is already consumed. It was really terrifying experience every New Year for them. So all I can do is to condole them. No, not condole, but to give them comfort, especially Kulit, who is also sensitive among noise. My dogs are really old. Miggy and Kulit have been with us since 2018. So this year is 2025. And Moray is the daughter of Miggy. And she has been with us since 2022. Almost same birth month with my eldest daughter. See? That's what. So Miggy and Colette. That's the scary dog. They're not scary. They're so cute. See that white hair on the mouth and on the eyebrows? That means they're old. If I'm just grateful to celebrate Christmas with them. We cannot know what the future brings, but I hope 2026 Miggy, Colette, and Murai will still be there for us, guarding our house safe and secure. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for guarding the house always 24/7 and making the neighborhood also safe by your loud barks. Especially Murai, the youngest one. Well, Colette is the observant and very keen about changes in the surroundings. While Miggy is the attacker, the silent attacker among them all, and the scariest when angry. Okay, that's it for this January 2025 video, guys. Happy New Year!